Nestled in the heart of Montevideo, Uruguay, lies the charming Carrasco neighborhood. Known for its rich history and elegant architecture, Carrasco is a place where tradition meets modern innovation. Today, we'll delve into a unique project that embodies this very spirit. Our architectural firm thrives on pushing boundaries. While specializing in prefabricated housing, we relish the opportunity to tackle new challenges. Enter this project, a family seeking a permanent residence in Carrasco's Heritage District. The brief was clear: a single-story haven offering 4 bedrooms, an office, a gym, and a playroom. But there was a twist: ensure privacy within the home while maintaining a connection to the outdoors. Striving to reimagine the classic Carrasco estate, we embarked on a design that respected the neighborhood's past while embracing a modern future. The expansive 1,036 square meter plot with a north-facing facade presented a unique canvas. Our design revolved around 2 key elements: privacy and connection. A single-story structure emerged, divided into 2 distinct strips. The western strip housed the bedrooms and bathrooms, prioritizing privacy. The eastern strip, bathed in natural light, formed the heart of the home, encompassing the social areas and the entrance. A clever use of loggias, patios, and skylights ensured a seamless flow between the interior and exterior. This light-filled space, dubbed the social heart, fostered a connection with nature without compromising privacy. At the rear, a spacious, glass-enclosed barbecue area incorporated the gym and playroom, extending the living space and providing a perfect setting for outdoor gatherings. The house itself is a testament to strength and security. 2 reinforced concrete slabs form the foundation, while the facade features a dynamic skin. This innovative design allows for varying degrees of openness based on the program within. The use of hard, yet elegant materials like concrete and wood not only evokes a sense of robustness, but also minimizes maintenance needs. Stepping inside, a minimalist aesthetic transforms the 250 square meter space into a warm and inviting home. Polished monolithic floors evoke the heritage of the neighborhood, while contemporary touches like wood and gray and white furniture create a classic yet modern ambience. This project exemplifies the perfect blend of historical charm and modern ingenuity. The Carrasco house is a testament to the power of innovative design that respects its environment. It's a space where families can create lasting memories, a modern oasis nestled within the rich tapestry of Carrasco's heritage.